Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do my first plan with me in my new Arise Devotional Planner by Chosen. Oh my gosh, I already forgot it. Okay, let me show you the front cover. It's Chosen and Cherished. Sorry. Hopefully there is a link in the description below. This was a coil bound planner that I took apart and put on discs. I do have a video with that. It's the one just before this one, where I set up this planner and got ready for the month of September. So let's try to see our first attempt at decorating for the week. This will be the week of Labor Day. So Monday is a holiday. Now I'm going to attempt to use these stickers. These are new to my shop. Now if you can see, in this planner up here, there are like slashes so that you can put your dates. But I'm going to attempt, I'm just going to try this week to see what this looks like if I just put my stickers up top here and not white out anything. I really don't want to white out anything because the boxes are gray. And so you really can't tell. You really can't tell. So we're just going to go forward with this and go as planned to use these stickers and date this week. So this whole planner is undated, which is okay with me because I am starting in September. So I won't feel like I've wasted like a whole planner. So I'm just trying to like line up these stickers so that, just carefully, so that it doesn't take totally away from my dates. You can see a little bit. I don't know if you can really tell or not. The lines are very light, so it's not really that big of a deal for me. So yeah, they work. So let's see. I'm also trying to center my stickers underneath the day of the week too. So got my work cut out for me. I'm like really excited to sit down off camera and fill in this planner and just make it work for me in the best way that it's designed to. So really excited about that. But I want to get these videos filmed for y'all because I had said, and I got a lot of feedback in one of my last videos, that I really want to start supporting Christian entrepreneurs, Christian conservative-based businesses instead of this whole woke culture. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what we're doing now. Okay, so I want to use outline florals. These are really pretty muted color, like fall color florals that are available in my shop. And I'm not sure exactly how I want to use these. I'm also going to use a couple quotes. So since I don't really put a lot on my weekends, I think I'm going to put a quote like up here on Saturday. And then I think I'm also going to put a quote on Monday. But I'm using my white matte sticker paper because it you can't really see lines and things through it. So I'm just not going to worry too much about whiting out anything. And then I probably should have laid some florals down underneath this before I laid the sticker down. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay, not too terrible. So let's go ahead and lay down maybe this. Let's lay this floral down here. Oh, I want to be able to write grateful for. I want to be able to do my gratitude. So how am I going to do this? Alright, so I think I'm going to take my X-Acto and trim. This is a whole new learning curve for me, y'all. Whole new planner layout. Did I turn my knife up the right way? Yeah, I did. I just didn't cut good enough. Yeah, this paper is very delicate. So keep that in mind. I probably should have laid this floral over top. I don't like that. So here's what we're going to attempt. We're going to lay some florals over top of that. I just don't like the way that looked. So let's go this way. Because it's a white sticker, I feel like I needed florals over top of the actual quote versus if it was clear, I would have laid my quote over top of the floral. All right, so let's see. I've got that, and then I kind of want like something down underneath there, or down like towards the bottom of this floral or this quote as well. Just not sure what. Let's try to lay this down. See what it looks like. I think I'm going to trim here so that it'll go right here on this line. All right, so that's cute. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do my quote for Monday, which is going to be, "Not today, Satan." Not today, not ever, Satan. And I think I'm going to go down here to the bottom. And I think we're going to lay it a little bit offset. And then we're going to do some pulls around this one. So what can I do? Let's try this. Not sure, y'all. Trying to figure it out. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to trim this the same way I trimmed the other one. And I think what I need to do is lay something under here so that it doesn't rip my page. Because like I said, these pages are very delicate. And this will also help me cut a straight line. Win-win. Look at there. Okay. So then we still have this piece left. Maybe. I should have used the other side of the sticker paper, but it's okay. All right. So now I think we can go here and lay this other piece down like that. Okay, so now we have two cute quotes. I'm not going to do boxes or anything like that. I am going to do some grid washi though. Not sure where I want to do the grid. Well, let's think here. Do I want to go across the bottom? I think I do. Okay. Sorry for my silence. I had to think that through. Not really, but had to be quiet for a minute to get that done. Okay. So let's cut this. And then I did not go all the way to the bottom. But you know what I can do? I'm going to fold it up because this is the next week, but it's okay. We can make it work. So instead of wasting washi, I'm just going to fold it up. And then this will be the current week. And I'm starting in the middle just to try to make sure that I get it straight. Okay. And that'll make my page a little bit sturdier for flipping as well. All right, so now I'm not sure, do I want to put like boxes and things in here? I don't know. Let me see what I have in the way of boxes. Okay, so we have our two matching boxes. I do have bullet points here just kind of need to figure out. Oh, I didn't do Sunday's date. I bet y'all are screaming at me about that. Let's do that real quick before I forget. Okay. So, what do I want to do for boxes now? This is the big kicker here, because this is a whole new situation here for me. Oh, thinking. So maybe we'll just try to do like a couple boxes here. These actually fit like almost, these fit perfectly. Tell me if that isn't a God thing. These fit perfectly on that line. So there's that. Yeah. And so why don't we try maybe to do another one. We're just going to kind of rotate colors here. We'll do this one here. And then I think I'm going to take a bigger box for Wednesday. Uh-oh. Don't know where to put it, y'all. No, let's don't do a bigger box. Change my mind on that one. Let's see. I think we're going to go with another one of these. And I'm actually going to move this down. Now, this is my removable sticker paper, so it's going to remove a lot easier than the white mat. All right, so that's not terrible. And where else do we need a sticker? I think let's just do some bullet points now. Let's just do some bullet points, and just to have some of these colors in this spread. So let's take this color and put here on these 3 points. And then we'll take, I'm trying to think, this is why I like having the kits, and this is an older set, so it doesn't have the kits, because my kits have 3 colors, and it makes it a lot easier when you have 3 colors, so that you don't have like color on top of color, if that makes sense. All right, but I think this is really cute so far. So now, why don't we try to do some kind of something, or should we just leave it alone? Maybe I should just leave it alone. I know what else I could do though. Let's take bullet points and put like up here, grateful for. I can actually rotate these colors. And then we'll put the tan color in the other ones. Okay, that's really cute, y'all. All right, so I think this is going to be it. I think I'm done, and I'm barely using any flowers. Actually, my mini stickers, the mini foils, would be perfect for this layout to still be able to utilize like the entire layout and not put too many, like too big of flowers in the layout. So let's put it back in my planner. Let's see what it looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me video. Let me know what you think of this new planner, And let me know if you went on there and ordered it, or if you're considering it. It was actually only $30, and her shipping was only $4.95, and shipping was like really fast, really fast. Even though she ships media mail, it got here, I mean, it was like a week, less than a week. So, alright, so that's it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you feel about spending your hard-earned money with conservative Christian businesses from here on out, because that's what I really want to try to do. So, yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.